closer.
Mika, here. Mika, it's on me, Mika. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, and thank you.
We're now opening the floor for the Q&A. If you have any questions, feel free to raise your hand and we'll take them one by one.
Hi, good morning. I'm Kate, the Random Republica. How does it feel? Parang almost weekly, cover ka namin. Another endorsement. How does it feel to have that?
Ako po, I'm starting to have attachment po sa inyo. Parang every week na po, totoo po, nakikita po tayo. Ako, I feel blessed talaga. And I feel more nurturing sa mga brands na nagtitiwala sa akin. Parang I want to take care of them talaga. Kasi yung trust na binibigay nila is overflowing. And I wanna bounce that back to them po. So, very blessed.
And what's so special about Lux Organics for you to accept this endorsement?
What's so special about them? I always see them. Like, lagi ko silang nakikita sa Watsons and parang user talaga kasi po nila mo. And again, when I endorse something, talaga pinapangatawanan ko yung brand and I make sure talaga na I use their product talaga, or if not, I need to use them before I actually accept yung partnership with them. So it's very special to me kasi yung Lux Organic, I don't have to really push or make an effort because I'm really an avid fan of them.
Thank you, Mika.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Mika. Again, we're here now. Nakakatuwa na sunod-sunod yung endorsements mo. But can you tell us what personal attachments do you have with regards to the products that Lux Organic has?
Ay nga, tulad ng sinabi ko, even before, pumunta ka sa mga stores, nakikita ko na talaga yung Lux Organic. Sila yung mga, di ba sila yung may mga mukha sa Watsons na tao? And before pa, minamanifest ko na, one day, I'm gonna be one of those beautiful ladies na mag-represent ng brand na to. And I'm lucky na talaga na maging part ng family na to talaga. Ay, naging po yung super special sa akin.
And how about the owners? How do you find them?
The owners are so nice. I met them. I just met them today. And sobrang humble. Sobrang humble po nila with how they talk, kung paano po yung... Kanina po nagkaroon kami ng conversation sa room. So they're very humble po.
Dear, can you tell us like what's like your regimen, like for this particular event? What did you do today to make it that gorgeous?
Ako everyday talaga, I make sure na kasi everyday po, merong ganap, everyday na may makeup ng mga kapal, I make sure to really cleanse my skin. So, ako talaga, I make sure na nawawala lahat ng makeup ko muna before I reapply makeup. And then, I make sure na nakakapag-hydrate ako na maayos, not just through drinking water, or syempre sa skin din, kasi yung makeup talaga nakaka-strip away ng natural moisture ng mukha. So, I make sure na nag-moisturizer ako, face mask if may extra time, and then double cleanse ko talaga.
Alright. Can you tell us what would your advice be for those who are just starting to do makeup? What would your, like, a few pieces siguro na masasuggest mo sa kanila?
Ako sa mga magiging makeup lover pala or makeup lover, ako kasi ever since kahit bata pa ako, I make sure na pinaprioritize ko more yung skincare more than makeup. Kasi dapat bago ka bumili ng, di ba sabi ko, bago ka bumili ng mga pangtakip ng skin mo, kailangan mag-ganda mo yung skin mo. Doon ka nag-focus. So ako, lagi ko nire-recommend talaga sunscreen talaga. Kasi we don't wanna age. So, kahit bata ka pa, nag-start ka pa lang ng skincare, yun talaga yung dapat hindi mo kalimutan talaga. Sunscreen talaga. And moisturizer, if talaga super dry na skin mo.
Ano yung moisturizer na ginagamit mo?
They have like a gel moisturizer. Yung pinakauna ko talaga ginamit sa kanila na product is yung aloe vera talaga. Not technically as a moisturizer, but my skin kasi hindi siya, nag-breakout siya pag gumagamit ako ng hindi gel type. So yun talaga, doon ako nag-start talaga sa gel or sa aloe vera gel.
Alright, that's thank you so much.
Thank you
Mika.
so much.
Hello, Mika. First and foremost, congratulations. Congratulations, blessings. So this is for our content creator. I would like to ask first, what was your reaction when they offered you to be part of the Lux Organic family?
Ako, I'm very happy po eh. Tulad po ng mga stories po na nakadokay na those are real stories. Kaya parang nalaman ko na ina-eye or may chance ako na maging Lux Organic girly. Super happy ko po kasi they were so many other brands din po na nagtatry din ng time na yun. Pero sabi ko, let's go for the Lux Organic talaga kasi since ginagamit ko din naman ito yung product, so hindi magiging mahirap sa akin or sa amin na mag-work with them.
So, ano yung pinaka-favorite product mo from Lux Organic?
Ako before pa, syempre yung magla-launch ngayon, yung cleansing balm nila. Pero ito magiging bias ako kasi start talaga, even before pa, yung aloe vera talaga yung ginagamit ko na talaga eh. And then now, meron na sila yung parang rose din. And I love rose scented, anything na rose scented. Pero doon ako talaga, favorite ko talaga yung aloe vera.
And syempre naman, as ambassador, parang the product will give you a chance to sell it online. So just in case, paano mo ibebenta yung favorite product mo from Lux Organic?
Ako siguro hindi ko na e-effort kasi ginagamit ko naman talaga. I just need to show them my skin. And kayo mga nandito, my skin is really nice and proud ako sabihin nun because of Lux Organic.
Grabe. Thank you so much, Mika, and congrats again.
Thank you so much.
Next ka na.
Hi, Mika.
Congrats. Thank you.
My question is, how long do you use Lux Organics before ka naging brand ambassador?
Ako before coming inside PBB pa, before pa talaga, even before, na hindi pa ata ako sikat nung time na ginagamit ko yung Lux Organics. And then, natuwa nga ako kanina kasi yung ila-launch namin ng product soon, which is yung first cleanse, yung cleansing balm. Natuwa ako kasi sabi ko, ila-launch pa lang pala ko kasi ginagamit ko na kasi pala sinendan na nila ako to try the product. So, it's really nice talaga na before I present it to people or before ko pagamit sa ibang tao, nagagamit ko na. Talagang subok ko na.
Okay, last question na lang. Which product na sa tingin mo nag-represent sa personality?
Which product na talaga nag-represent sa personality ko? Siguro yung yung sunscreen spray nila. Kasi, you can take me anywhere, pero magiging useful pa yan.
Thank you.
Okay, any more questions for Mika? Wala na po. Okay, and that's that, everyone. On behalf of Lux Organics and Mika, thank you all for being part of today's celebration. This contract signing is more than just a partnership. It's the start of an exciting journey that reflects our shared values of beauty, authenticity, and confidence. We truly appreciate the support of our media friends, guests, and executives who joined us. Your presence makes this milestone even more meaningful. As we look forward to the future of this collaboration, let's continue to spread the message of self-care and empowerment through beauty. Once again, thank you and congratulations to Mika and Lux Organic. Here's to new beginning and brighter days ahead.
Interview, tsaka photos. Tara po, dito na yung